Hi there, welcome to Brain Equation. Today I have a great question. 2 power x plus 4 power x plus 8 power x is equal to 39 and x is unknown. First of all, I'm going to write down in the first step 2 power x plus 4 can be written as 2 power 2 power x plus 8 can be written as 2 power 3 power x. 2 power 3 power x is equal to 39. So in the second step, it will be 2 power x plus, it can be written as 2 power x and power 2. We can exchange the power. 2 power x power 3 is equal to 39. And here now we have 2 power x. Let's make our substitution. Y is equal to 2 power x. So our equation will become, by inserting the value of y plus, here we have y square and here we will get y cube. Y cube is equal to 39. 39, bring 39. Now first of all arrange this equation, y cube plus y square plus y is equal to 39, and then bring 39 to this side. Y cube plus y square plus y minus 39 is equal to 0. So now y cube plus y square plus y minus 39 can be written as 27 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 0. It will be y cube plus y square plus y minus 27 minus 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now in the next step, y cube plus y square plus y minus 27 can be written as 3 power 3 minus 9 can be written as 3 power 2, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can easily group y cube minus 3 cube, y cube minus 3 cube plus y square minus 3 square, y square minus 3 square plus y minus 3 plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here I'm going to use a very well-known algebraic identity, which is very well known for the this y cube minus 3 cube. We have a cube minus b cube is equal to, we can write it a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. So next a square minus b square. So this difference of the square can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So I'm going to use these two formulas in the next step. So y cube minus 3 cube can be written as y minus 3 times y square plus 3y plus 9. Here we have y plus 3 times y minus 3, and here we will write y minus 3 is equal to 0. So you can see in this expression we have y minus 3 in every expression, so we can factor it out easily. So factor it out and we are left with y square plus 3y plus 9, and here we will have y plus 3 because we have factor out y minus 3, and here we have 1 is equal to 0. So in the next step we will evaluate it, we will simplify it. Y minus 3, here we will simplify this expression. We will write y square plus 3y plus y is 4y, 9 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 13. It is equal to 13 is equal to 0. So from here we can make two equations. Y minus 3 is equal to 0, or y square plus 4y plus 13, 4y plus 13 is equal to 0. So from the first equation we have y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 here. So this second equation is a quadratic equation. So here we will write down the A is equal to 1 and 4 by B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 13. So first of all, we will find out its discriminant. Discriminant is B square minus 4AC. So by inserting the value of B, A and C, we will write A 1 square, 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 13. It will give us 16. 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 13 is 52. 16 minus 30, 52, it gives minus 36, which is less than 0. So from here, we will have no real solution, no real root we are going to get from this quadratic equation. We will get imaginary solution from here. So here we have y is equal to 3. Recall the substitution, y is equal to 2 power x. So by inserting the value here for y, we will write 2 power x is equal to 3 by taking log on both sides here. We will take log on both sides. Log 2 power x is equal to log 3. So from here, x will shift to the base and we will write x log 2 is equal to log 3. So from here, bring log to the other side. X is equal to log 3 over log 2. So from here, by using the formula, we will write x is equal to log 3 base 2. So it is the final value of x that we have calculated. Now we need to check this value. So we are going to write down the equation, the given equation that we have in order to check this value of y. Check. The equation is 2 power x, 2 power x, 2 power x plus 4 power x plus 8 power x is equal to 39. So it can be written as 2 power x plus 4 can be written as 2 power 2 times x plus 8 can be written as 2 power 3 times x is equal to 39. Now we will insert the value of x, this calculated value of x. We will write 2 power log 3 base 2 plus 2 power 2 times log 3 base 2, and here we are going to write 3 times log 3 base 2 is equal to 39. So in the next step, we are going to write down 2 power log 3 base 2 log 3 base 2 plus this 2 will shift to the will become the power of 3, 2 log 3 power 2 base 2, and here we have 2 log 3 power 3, 3 power 3 base 2 is equal to 39. So from here we will use the formula of a logarithm and we will write 3. Here we will get 3 power 2, and here by using the formula we will get 3 power 3 is equal to 39. So it will give us 3 plus 9 plus 27, and by adding them we are going to get 39, which is equal to 39, which is proved. So the value of x is log 3 base 2. So that's all about this question. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more solutions. Till the next video, bye.